Alright, so today we're doing delivery of this 2026 Ford Raptor, Shelby Ford Raptor R. And before we unload it, we got here last night. We're gonna do a cold start and see how it sounds. I'm gonna remote start it. Alright, so even after it idles down, it sounds pretty good. Not too aggressive, not too crazy, but a nice, decent sound. Well, at least in my opinion. From the back, you definitely hear it. From the front, it's kind of, I guess that's where you get the sounds of that beautiful supercharger. Alright, let's go get this thing delivered to the new customer.